Have you heard the news that there are a few insurance companies out there that are actually about to start giving you money back on your auto insurance premiums? Well, that's a question that we've been getting a lot today, so that's what we're going to talk about in today's video. Hey folks, Jack Wingate here, and as of April 8th, 2020, there have been a number of auto insurance carriers that have made major announcements about giving you premium dollars back. Now, as of right now, the first one to do it, and probably the largest thus far, has been Allstate Insurance. Allstate said they're going to give about $600 million in refunds back to their clients. And they're doing that in this form. They're going to give you 15% of your monthly premiums for auto insurance back for the months of April and May. What's that mean? That basically means this. If you pay $100 a month for insurance, you're going to get a check back for $30. Recently, right with them, a company called American Family, they're not in North Carolina, but they said they're going to give their customers back $50 per vehicle that is insured with them. They're assuming that's going to be about $200 million worth of refunds. Since that time, everyone's going to follow suit here. Geico has said they're going to do something very similar to Allstate. They're going to give back a percentage of your premiums for the months of April and May. Safeco Insurance, which has a small presence in North Carolina, is going to do something very similar. And then Travelers Insurance just came out, hot off the presses, right before I came out here, and said they're going to give back 20% of your auto insurance premiums for the months of April and May. So what question we've been getting is this: am I getting money back from my auto insurance premiums? And then the follow-up question is, well, why not? Well, here's the thing, guys. Every carrier is going to respond to this a little differently. That doesn't mean that your insurance carrier is being greedy. When you look at these big announcements that have happened, the net back to you oftentimes wouldn't even offset the savings that you're getting with another carrier. But that really doesn't have much to do with it, in my opinion. I think it is great what these companies are doing. But I also think it's great that you have some conservative companies out there who are sitting back and trying to assess of what this really looks like 6 months from now. Instead of being what many might say is a little short-sighted. And again, anytime someone's wanting to give back $600 million, it's kind of hard to say that's a bad thing. But you've got carriers like Erie Insurance, who's one of ours, who has not given back anything yet, or has not even announced that they're going to. But they've done some other stuff. Along with other carriers, they have gone out and said, look, if you're having problems paying your premium, call us. Let us help work something out before this policy cancels. And that's a great thing. That is a big thing, because these carriers are not the big bad monsters that most people make them out to be. But here's something also that carriers are doing, and Erie is, I'll give them credit, I just got this announcement too. They have decided to help you support local business. So with the way things have been working, a lot of gift cards are being purchased. A lot of gift cards to local businesses to keep them afloat. Well, some people are hesitant to go out and buy local gift cards from businesses because, hey, who knows if those businesses are going to be in business, 3 or 4 months from now. Well, what Erie is doing on their homeowners policy, and it's not approved in North Carolina yet, hopefully it will be soon, is they've thrown on their homeowners policy an endorsement free to you that says if you buy a gift card to a local business, and there's some parameters in there, you buy a local gift card for a local business, and that business goes out of business before you have used that gift card or used all of it, Erie is going to step in and they're going to give you the difference. Now that's a carrier thinking outside the box to try to help local businesses. Yes, that's not them giving you a check back right now for a reduction in your auto insurance premium, but that's them trying to find a way to think outside the box and help the entire economy. And I appreciate that. And I appreciate all of the carriers who are trying to find ways to help you. As always, I suggest you contact a local independent insurance agent to try to help guide you through these times. Maybe you need to make some tweaks to your auto policy because you're not driving. Maybe there's some other things that need to be looked at on your policies to make sure that things are right. Reach out to one of those. Obviously, you can always reach out to us at AllChoice. We're more than happy. And as always, try to find a little positivity in what we got going on. I know for me personally, I'm spending way more time with my family than I have in the last 15 years since I started AllChoice. So there's some positives out there. Don't let the media get you down. And until next time, take it easy.